what you perceive is not the same as what is.
We've been circling the same spot for God knows how many years, talking about everything else, the heart of the silence and fears. You hide all the silence and fears. You say you're fine on your own, but your eyes are telling a lie. We're both standing on the edge, just watching the birds fly by. But what if we jumped? What if we found something holy in the middle of getting done? I'm tired of being careful, being so damn prayerful. I'm losing my mind. Calling it now. Let's burn the safety net down. I'm calling it now. I don't care if we crash on the ground. It might be a disaster, the biggest mistake of our lives, but I'm calling it now. I'm ready for the truth to no more what ifs, no more playing it safe. I'd rather lose it all tonight than spend another day in this place. Calling it now. Let's burn the safety net down. I don't care if we crash on the ground. It might be a disaster, biggest mistake of our lives, but I'm calling it now. I'm ready for the truth to calling it now. Calling it now. Ready for the crash. Yeah, let's lose it all. Biggest mistake. Calling it now.
My head exploded. I told you everything, told you we were over. You made me take it back, wait until we're sober. We made it through the night, but it's still coming. You are losing me. You are losing me. Feels just like I'm locked up. Everything's so fucked up in our
Perhaps your intentions are good, so are mine. It
Everything's
makes
just
no
pretend.
difference to the others.
Every day we pretend. Feels like you own me. You love to show me off. Only care what they see. Their envy gets you off. You don't know what I need. It's getting hard to take, hard to fake. You know it's coming. You are losing me. You are losing me. Feels just like I'm locked up. Everything's so fucked up in my fantasy prison. Everything's just pretend. Everything just like never feels right. Waking up like every night and get to just run. My head is a prison. Everything's just pretend. Every day I pretend, just like you. We accept them, never let them fall. I'm just scared if I lose you, will you die